Hello everyone, this video is going to show you how to set up FTP function for VWdot. Here we can see the topology of our data flow. Please note that one project can only send data to one FTP server. VWdot will send out data via your local telecom company to your designated server. As we have shown in how to set up VWdot, you may use Sanlien's cloud service or your own cloud service. If you choose to use Sanlien's cloud service, the path will be shown on the upper part of the image. If you choose using your own cloud service, the path will be shown on the bottom part of the image. Let's talk about Sanlien's cloud service, which is called DOT. After your data has been sent via your local telecom company to Sanlien's MQTT broker, the data will diverge into two paths. The first path is going into our DOT, and the second path will go to your private FTP server. If you use our DOT service, it's easier to transmit data to your own FTP server. The following steps will guide you on how to set up FTP function in our DOT. Please go to our data platform DOT and log in. If you don't have an account, please sign up first. After logging in, please click on FTP setting. Please fill all the blanks labeled with the star sign. Then click Enable to complete the setting. Here's a friendly reminder, FTP path is optional. Our server will automatically upload a CSV file in standard format. You can customize the Excel format however you want, like the animation in the lower left corner. Next, you can go to FTP log. If you cannot get data at your own FTP server, you can check the FTP log to see if there's any error. Now, you have completed the FTP setting for VWdot. If you're interested in our VWdot, please visit www.sanlien.com and feel free to contact us. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.